Hi, this is Kirk with Line Dance Salt Lake, Utah. Are you ready to get your line dance on? Let's go over the steps in the dance. I'm going to turn around so you can follow me from home. Starting to my right diagonal, I'm going to do side, touch, back, touch, side, together, step. Now I'm going to do the opposite to my left. Side, touch, back, touch, side, together, step. Next section, 2 crossover breaks. I'm going to go rock, replace, side, rock, replace, side. From here, I'm going to finish it with a half rotation with 2 quarter pivots. Step, quarter pivot, step, quarter pivot. Now I'm going to move forward so I can do this next section. From here, I'm going to take my right foot. I'm going to start a jazz box by crossing over with my right, back onto my left, and then I'm going to do 2 foot swivels. I'm going to step on my right toe, fan my left foot out, step back on my left toe, fan my right foot out. Then I'm going to do a syncopated vine step coming towards the front. I'm going to go behind, side, side, behind, walk, walk, replace my weight on that right foot. Next section, I'm going to do rock, recover, half pivot, and then I'm going to finish it with a syncopated rocking chair. It's going to go rock and replace and step, knee, pop. From here, next section, taking my left toe, step behind, I'm going to rotate a half rotation to my left, and then I'm going to take my right hip, I'm going to bump out to the right side, bump to the left, double bump right, and then I'm going to bump to the front, bump to the back. From here, I'm going to finish it off by taking my right foot. I'm going to do a toe, back, side touch, side together, step, quarter turn, pivot to my right, side together, step, finishing it off with a 3-step turn. Step, turn, step. From here, I'm at my new wall, ready to repeat the dance. Now, let's go over the counts in this dance. I'm going to turn around so you can follow me from home. First set of 8. Ready? And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. This dance has an 8-count restart on wall 3. You already know the very beginning, which is the side together step. You're going to repeat that a second time on wall 3. Looks like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. From here, you just start the dance where you left off, where you're going to do your rock, replace, step, rock, replace, step, step, quarter pivot, step, quarter pivot into the rest of the dance. And that's Backwood bumps, 8-count restart. Thanks for watching. You could be a line dance slut too. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on the dance floor.